Understanding Online Voucher, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very relevant and modern phrase, online voucher. This term is increasingly common in our digital world, and understanding it can be really helpful for both shopping and general comprehension of English in a tech-savvy environment. An online voucher is a digital coupon or code that offers a discount or benefit when shopping online. Unlike traditional paper coupons, online vouchers are used on websites or apps. They can offer various deals, like discounts, free shipping, or a free gift. Understanding this term is crucial as it's frequently used in online shopping, marketing, and even in everyday conversations about deals and savings. Using an online voucher is straightforward. Generally, you enter the code provided at the checkout stage of an online purchase. The discount or offer is then applied to your total bill. It's important to note that these vouchers have terms and conditions, such as a minimum spend amount, specific product applicability, or an expiration date. Always read these conditions to understand how to effectively use the voucher. Online vouchers have become a significant part of the retail landscape. They benefit consumers by offering savings and special deals. For businesses, they are a tool for attracting customers and promoting new products. As a result, understanding and utilizing online vouchers can lead to smarter shopping habits and savings. Let's look at some example sentences. I got a 20% off online voucher for my favorite store. Remember to apply the online voucher before you complete your purchase. This online voucher is only valid for purchases over $50. These examples show how the phrase can be used in everyday conversations. I hope this video has helped clarify what an online voucher is and how it's used. These digital tools are not just a part of shopping. They're a part of our evolving language and culture in the digital age. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be comfortable with these and other tech-related English terms. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.